Welcome to another episode of Tech Thursday. Today's topic is the wire harness. It connects all the major components of the car to each other and ensures reliable communication and power. Last year we split the wire harness into two parts. The core harness connects all the major electrical components within the car, including the accumulator, power distribution unit, inverters, main control unit and the two sensor nodes, one in the rear and one in the front of the car. The rest of the wire harness connects the individual sensors to the sensor nodes, which acquire the values and sends them to the main control unit. Thanks for tuning in and see you in another episode of Tech Thursday.